Crash Course on Religious Studies, Religion and Culture, explore the relationship between religion and culture and how they influence each other. Certainly. Let's dive into a crash course on religious studies, exploring the relationship between religion and culture and how they influence each other. Firstly, it's important to define what we mean by religion and culture. Religion refers to a set of beliefs and practices related to a supernatural or divine power, while culture encompasses the shared beliefs, values, customs, behaviors, and artifacts that characterize a group or society. Religion and culture are deeply intertwined, with each influencing and shaping the other. Religion and culture. The relationship. The relationship between religion and culture is complex and multifaceted. Culture can shape religious beliefs and practices, and religion can also shape culture. For example, in some cultures, the concept of karma, or the idea that one's actions will affect their future, is deeply ingrained. This belief can influence behaviors such as generosity and honesty, which are seen as virtuous and beneficial to one's karma. Similarly, in some cultures, the practice of ancestor worship is common. This belief can influence how families interact with their deceased loved ones and shape how they approach death and mourning. On the other hand, religion can also shape culture. For example, the Islamic tradition of Ramadan, a month of fasting and reflection, has influenced the culture of many Muslim-majority countries. During Ramadan, businesses and schools may operate on reduced hours, and special foods and traditions are often associated with the holiday. Similarly, in some Christian traditions, the celebration of Christmas has shaped the culture surrounding the holiday, with traditions such as gift-giving and decorating Christmas trees becoming ubiquitous in many parts of the world. Religion and culture. Examples. There are countless examples of how religion and culture influence each other. One particularly interesting example is the practice of yoga. While yoga has become a popular form of exercise and stress relief in many Western countries, its origins are deeply rooted in Hinduism. The practice of yoga was originally developed as a way to achieve spiritual enlightenment and connect with the divine. However, as it has become more popular in Western cultures, it has been stripped of many of its religious and spiritual elements and is often viewed simply as a form of exercise. Another example is the cultural influence of Buddhism. While Buddhism is a religion that originated in India, it has spread to many other parts of the world, including East and Southeast Asia. In these regions, Buddhist beliefs and practices have influenced many aspects of culture, including art, literature, and philosophy. For example, the practice of Zen meditation, which originated in Japan, has become popular in many Western countries as a way to reduce stress and improve mental health. Religion and popular culture. Religion has also had a significant impact on popular culture. Many films, books, and TV shows draw on religious themes and imagery to tell their stories. Here are 12 examples of popular culture influenced by religion. The Lord of the Rings draws on Christian themes and imagery, including the concept of original sin and the idea of redemption. The Da Vinci Code draws on Christian mythology and conspiracy theories surrounding the life of Jesus. The Simpsons often satirizes religion and religious figures, but also features episodes that explore the role of religion in society. Game of Thrones draws on various religious and mythological traditions, including Norse mythology and medieval Catholicism. The Matrix draws on Gnostic and Buddhist philosophy, including the concept of awakening and the search for enlightenment. Star Wars draws on various religious and philosophical traditions, including Taoism and the concept of the hero's journey. The Handmaid's Tale explores the intersection of religion and politics, drawing on the Christian fundamentalist movement. The Exorcist explores themes of possession and the struggle between good and evil, drawing on Catholic beliefs about demonic possession and exorcism. The Chronicles of Narnia draws on Christian themes and imagery, including the concept of sin and redemption. The Witch explores the intersection of religion and superstition, drawing on Puritan beliefs and folklore. Coco draws on Mexican traditions surrounding the Day of the Dead, which combines Catholic and indigenous beliefs. American Gods explores the role of religion in modern society, drawing on various mythological and religious traditions. These examples show how religion can be a rich source of inspiration for popular culture, providing themes, symbols, and motifs that resonate with audiences around the world. Summary. In summary, the relationship between religion and culture is complex and multifaceted. Culture can shape religious beliefs and practices, and religion can also shape culture. This relationship is evident in numerous examples, including the practice of yoga, the cultural influence of Buddhism, and the use of religious themes and imagery in popular culture. The examples provided demonstrate how religion can be a rich source of inspiration for popular culture, providing themes, symbols, and motifs that resonate with audiences around the world. Poem. Religion and culture. Religion and culture, intertwined and bound. Each shaping the other, in cycles unbroken. A dance of beliefs and practices profound. From ancient traditions to cultures awoken. Karma and ancestor worship, in some we find. Their influence on behaviors and customs refined. As beliefs shape how families mourn and interact. And guide actions with a virtuous impact. But religion also shapes culture, we see. As holidays and traditions spread far and free. From Ramadan to Christmas, and many in between. Religion's impact on culture cannot be unseen. In popular culture, too, religion is found. From The Lord of the Rings to The Handmaid's Tale unbound. Drawing on Christian themes and Buddhist philosophy. And exploring religion's role in society. Religion and culture, forever intertwined. A complex relationship, both unique and refined. From ancient traditions to modern-day trends. The dance of religion and culture never ends. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.